Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Zamas 61 key electronic keyboard. This instrument is designed with everyone in mind, from absolute beginners just starting their musical journey to students practicing their scales, and even adults and professionals looking for a portable option. One of the first things you notice is its stylish appearance. It's also made from environmentally friendly and durable materials, which is a great plus, and the fine workmanship means it has smooth edges, making it comfortable and safe to use, especially for younger players or those new to keyboards. Its small size is a major advantage. It's incredibly portable, making it easy to carry to lessons, practice sessions, or just move around your home. Plus, it's designed to be easy to maintain, which is always appreciated. Despite its compact size, it packs in quite a bit with 16 different tones and 10 rhythms. This variety is fantastic for exploring different sounds and practicing along to various beats, which really helps keep learning engaging and fun for students. Let's talk about the keys themselves. They're designed with the same height and offer a certain sense of depression when pressed. This consistent feel is important for developing proper fingering technique and strengthening those finger muscles, which is crucial for anyone learning to play. It really feels like it's built to support the learning process. The convenience for students is highlighted, and it's easy to see why. It's not overly complicated, but offers enough features to be useful for practice and exploration. It seems like a solid choice for someone looking for their first keyboard or a portable practice instrument. It's also good to know about the support offered. If you have any questions about this electronic keyboard piano, the company asks you to contact them within 24 hours. And they mention that if the keyboard you receive is severely damaged, they will provide you with parts for free, which offers a bit of reassurance. Overall, this Zamas 61 key electronic keyboard presents itself as a practical, well-built, and feature-rich option for anyone looking to get into playing or needing a portable practice instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.